Good morning, this is Cascade. Please stand by for your morning fire weather forecast and intelligence report. Your intelligence report for July 11th, 2024. Yesterday we had 4 fires, 1 in Clark County, 2 in Cowlitz County, and 1 in Lewis County. Total number of classified fires is 58. Our duty officer is Meg Walno. Our up team is Team 6. Our up engine is 2204. All ISTL zones are at level 1. Set starting levels at the coast is 4. All other areas it's a 3. Our fire danger rating is high across the region. There is a burn ban in Clark, Skamania, Wahkiakum, Lewis, and Grays Harbor. And there are no fires of any kind permitted on DNR land. Today's safety topic is power line safety. We have 1 Type 3 and 1 Type 2 rotor available in Olympia and 1 Type 2 rotor available in Camp Bonneville. Break. Your fire weather forecast for Portland and surrounding areas. High pressure across the western USA will maintain dry weather along with warm temperatures. Light onshore flow will bring a bit higher humidity, mainly seen with overnight recoveries. We'll need to watch a bit of monsoonal moisture pushing up from the Sierras into southern Washington this weekend. But for now, the thunderstorm potential will remain to our south and east over far southern and southeast Oregon. Break. For fire weather zone 631, the Cowlitz River lowlands and the eastern Willapa Hills. Today the weather will be mostly sunny, areas of low clouds mainly near the Columbia River. Maximum temperature 77 to 84 degrees, except in the ridges in the 70s. Minimum humidity 40 to 50%. In the winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 2 to 6 miles per hour, increasing 5 to 9 miles per hour in the afternoon. And the winds in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 5 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, activity level 1. Haines high and Haines mid indexes 4 or low, mixing height 4,500 feet. Transport winds north 10 miles per hour. And tonight the weather will be mostly clear. Minimum temperature 50 to 55 degrees. Maximum humidity 90 to 100%, except in the ridges 80 to 85%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 4 to 7 miles per hour early, and then drainage. And the winds in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 4 to 8 miles per hour, easing to 2 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 5 or moderate, Haines mid index 4 or low, mixing height near the surface, and the transport winds northwest around 10 miles per hour. For fire weather zone 632, the Cowlitz County foothills. Today the weather will be mostly sunny with patchy low clouds early. Maximum temperature 75 to 85 degrees and the coolest on the ridges. Minimum humidity 45 to 55%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 2 to 5 miles per hour, rising to 6 to 9 miles per hour. And in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 5 to 9 miles per hour, gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, lightning activity level 1. Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,000 feet. Transport winds north 10 to 15 miles per hour. And tonight the weather will be mostly clear, minimum temperature in the 50s, maximum humidity 75 to 85%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 6 to 9 miles per hour, becoming drainage less than 5 miles per hour. And in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 7 to 12 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour early, then easing to 3 to 7 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, lightning activity level 1. Haines high index 5 or moderate, mixing height near the surface, and the transport winds north 10 miles per hour. For fire weather zone 633, the Clark County lowland in the Swift Reservoir region. Today the weather will be sunny with patchy low clouds early close to the Columbia River. Maximum temperature 79 to 85 degrees, except in the ridges 70 to 75 degrees. Minimum humidity 35 to 45%. And the winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 2 to 5 miles per hour, rising to 4 to 8 miles per hour. And in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 3 to 6 miles per hour, rising to 6 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, lightning activity level 1. Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,000 feet. Transport winds northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. And tonight the weather will be mostly clear, patchy low clouds late. Minimum temperature 50 to 55 degrees. Maximum humidity 80 to 90%, except in the ridges 65 to 70%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, northwest 6 to 9 miles per hour until 2100, and then drainage. And in the ridges and the upper slopes, northwest 6 to 9 miles per hour until 2200, and then easing 2 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, Lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 5 or moderate, mixing height near the surface. Transport winds northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour. For fire weather zone 636, the western Columbia River Gorge in Oregon and Washington. Today the weather will be sunny, maximum temperature 83 to 87, but 70s on higher ridges. Minimum humidity 35 to 50%, highest on the ridges. And the winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, west 3 to 7 miles per hour, but west 10 to 12 miles per hour, with gusts of 25 miles per hour in the afternoon on higher ridges and east of Bonneville. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,500 feet. Transport winds west to northwest 10 miles per hour. And tonight the weather will be mostly clear, minimum temperature 52 to 58 degrees, maximum humidity 75 to 85%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, west 3 to 6 miles per hour, but west 10 to 15 miles per hour with the gusts up to 25 miles per hour in the evening on higher ridges and east of Bonneville. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 5 or moderate, mixing height near the surface. Transport winds west 10 miles per hour. And that concludes your morning fire weather forecast and intelligence report. Have a lovely day. Cascade clear 1043 K9669.